Hello guys, welcome to CodePlusOne, and today I will teach you basics of Python. The first thing which I want to teach you is variables, but I will be using different notebook, and to install that you have to type in the following code in your command prompt. Yeah, I think that's that. I press Windows plus R and type cmd and then press enter, and this window will open up. You have to type PIP it all in small, install also in small, and here type Jupyter, sorry, not Jupyter, right? Notebook. I already have this installed, so the requirement already satisfied. Just ignore this. So I have it installed. Then open your VS Code, new file, and do it as Jupyter notebook. And here now I will teach you about variables. So the first thing is that you might first think that variables are not important. In reality, they are the most important thing for anything you build in code. Let's take an example. For example, if you have the banking and an account, this is a variable, and here I will type in the balance. For example, I have $10. I will only type 10, no dollars. And then here I will use the print function. Print does not mean that you go to the printer and fetch some paper. Yeah, it's like though you will get an output. Use parentheses and here type, sorry, over here I did it wrong, so yeah. So if I click on run all, I got this, and here I can change it. For example, here I will type in I guess float, parentheses, input, parentheses, double quotations. Here I will type enter your bank account balance. Also use a space, colon, and then another space. Now, if I click on run all again, it's taking some time. Yeah, there it will. Yeah, it takes some time. It's taking longer than usual. I guess we will just have to wait. We don't have any other option. Right? Right? Yeah, this is one of the queries. And yeah, if you're hearing this background noise, then just, forget it. It's just that, yeah, just ignore any background noise. It's really taking longer than usual. So it really not take this long. No. It's taking too long. If I click on enter, oh, so output comes there. So I will type 100, press enter. Wait. Yes, I will make that int. It's for integers. This is for integers and the input. And before that, I had float that was for the. So yeah, now it works. So yeah, that's all. And now what was gonna tell you? Yeah. So yeah. Now you can even build things. For example, read underscore food is equal to. We don't make type int because here we are going to use a string. These are just the values which are in quotations, like these quotations. Yeah. Here I will type here there's one thing which comes very handy while coding, which is auto typing. I mean, like not like AI which you just type what you want and it does. Like if this is what you want to type, for example, like I type input and yeah. I don't think so it is in here. Yeah. Favorite food. Yep. And here we can I'll type print. Now here I've been making it with a string because I'm clearly not doing any variable. Yeah, not like anything like these, but instead before any quotation mark type an F. And this makes this an F string. So now we can type just clear with my punctuation and just like that in punctuation. Okay. Sorry. If I use these curly brackets, now I can type in that variable my favorite food. So yep. And now if I click here and all, here I type my favorite food, which is obviously cookie. Your partner's and instead if I remove this, put it here, and now and all, see here it came like this because the string is a different type of string in which we can just add variables and we don't have to go to the difficult way, which is I will just show you. So here this and there I need to type a comma, space, underscore food, another comma, and then here this quotation. So like this. Here I need to type a lot of like then instead for yourself. Yeah. Instead of what I did the previous one, but these both have the same runtime and all that. See? The same result as the previous one, not the one since I don't need the code. So yeah, I told you a lot. Yep, that's all. Bye guys.